This is 5.3c. It's an optional video. You need to watch this one if you have trouble multiplying polynomials or if you've ever had trouble with the FOIL method. Alright, 9. We're going to multiply 2x cubed times 5x minus 1. I need to multiply this times each one of these, remembering to multiply by the sign also. So 2x cubed times 5x. I'd multiply the coefficients together, 10, and then x cubed times x is x to the 4th. Then 2x cubed times negative 1 is negative 2x cubed. Number 10. W minus 8 times w minus 1. Okay, the FOIL method says to multiply the first terms first. So w times w is w squared. Now let's multiply O for the outside. W times negative 1. That would be negative w. Multiply the inside. Negative 8 times w is negative 8w. And then multiply the last terms. Negative 8 times negative 1 is positive 8. Then I'm going to collect like terms. These two middle terms are both plain w's, so I can add them together. So negative w plus a negative 8w is minus 9w plus 8. And that would be my final answer. A good way to check these is to take a random number, such as 2, and put the 2 back in here and get an answer, and then put the 2 in here and get an answer, and you should have the same answer in both of them. Alright, 11. Let's set this one up as a Punnett square. C plus 4 times c plus 10. C times c is c squared, plus 4 times c is plus 4c, plus our c times plus 10 is plus 10c, plus 10 times plus 4 is 40. So when we add the two like terms, these two, I would end up with c squared, then plus 4c plus 10c is plus 14c, and then plus 40. So that would be my final answer there. Now we're not going to work 17 because we've done this in class, but let me remind you on 17 that cube there does not mean s to the 5th. Cube does not mean z cubed minus 5 cubed. No. What that means is anything to the third power. It means multiply by itself that many times. So I need to write this all out. C to the 5th times z to the 5th, or minus 5, times z minus 5. And then, just like in class, I would use the FOIL method for these first two, and then take that one and multiply by each of the terms here.